Okay, we shelled the runner beans and the butter beans and French beans. This probably is about 2 kilos of beans. And okay, I separate the big and good ones of different varieties. And then for seeds of the next year. But I will use the rest for eating. I'm really hungry for these beans. The best way I think is to soak them in the oven the night before in the water. Then you can easily cook them. Really happy with the quality this year. The runny beans, butter beans, and the French plain beans. Yeah, not bad. Good. That kidney bean is different to the broad so our runny beans, but I'm using the runny beans to make some kidney bean for ourselves. So what I'm doing is that I take about half a kilo of this, I put it in a bowl, and I'll boil some water and add some baking powder or bicarbonate of soda to soften it. Then I will add the water to the pot. I will show you what's the result. This is the result: baking soda with the beans and hot water. And I leave it for several hours until the dinner time. That will be ready before dinner evening. So we can, it softens up, makes it cook quicker. So we are now going to have our own kidney beans.